Dear students, how are you? Perhaps you are all okay by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. I am your teacher K.M. Zakaria Alom. Today I am going to teach you on English through online English teaching program. Today I am going to take an online class for class 8. The topic of teaching is narration or speech, that means passage narration, which is important for you in the exam. Dear students, you of course know about the speech. Speech is of two kinds. One is direct narration and another is indirect narration. But sentence of reported speech is of five kinds, such as assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, optative sentence, and exclamative sentence. In the exam, passage narration will come for you. If you practice more and more and learn the rules of speech, you will make a correct answer. Please look at the board and follow carefully. Friends, here look again attentively. Topic speech. That means its another name is narration, passage narration, from direct to indirect. Some important passage narrations are mentioned on the board. I hope everybody of you should be attentive. Welcome to join the online class today. Some passage narrations which are important are mentioned on the board. Now I am going to teach you alphabetically and systematically. Question number 1. Ruma. Have you done your English lesson today? This is an important reported speech and it is an interrogative sentence. Ask the teacher. So, everybody of you have understood. Have you done your English lesson today? It is interrogative sentence. So, to make answer of this sentence, the teacher asked, Ruma will be object. The teacher asked Ruma, inverted comma will be out by adding if. Here if is used. If, have you. Here you. Here the teacher asked Ruma if she had done her English that day. That means at the time of making indirect narration, your answer will be assertive. Yes, sir, I have. But I haven't understood some grammatical point, replied Ruma. As sir is a respected person, honorable person, so respectfully will be added with the answer answered or replied in the negative, such as Ruma respectfully replied in the affirmative. As sir is present here, sir is a respectable person, so respectfully is necessary. Please, I am again saying, for your better understanding, Ruma respectfully replied in the affirmative that she had done. But I have not understood some grammatical points. This sentence is also of Ruma and it is assertive. So, she, that is, here she is used as a pronoun in lieu of Ruma. She means Ruma, also or again, added. Again plus said equal to added in short form. She also added, this is assertive sentence, so that is necessary to change the inverted comma. That she, here she is Ruma, have not has become had not in past perfect form. Had not understood some grammatical points. Where is the problem? Said the teacher. Again the teacher asked Ruma, where is the problem? This is the interrogative sentence. It says, Mr. the teacher, now we may be ready to make answer. The teacher asked Ruma. Here Ruma has become her as a pronoun. The teacher asked her means Ruma, where this is the interrogative pronoun. Interrogative pronoun will not be changed. So the teacher asked her where the problem was. As the interrogative sentence will be the assertive, so where the problem was, this sentence has become assertive in the direct narration. Dear students, please follow question number 2. This is another example. The father said to his daughter, do you know why I have sent you to school? This is interrogative sentence. The daughter said, yes, I know. This is assertive sentence. I have been sent to school to learn to read and write. This sentence is assertive. The answer will be the passage number 2. The father asked his daughter, as do you know why I have sent you to school? As the sentence is interrogative, so asked is necessary to make the correct answer in the indirect speech. The father asked his daughter if she will be out to change the verb in past form. Here no has become past, new has become out of the sentence. If she knew why, this is interrogative pronoun. Here why is used in the sentence as a conjunction. I has become his daughter, he. As have will be past, have sent present perfect will be past perfect. Had sent her to school. Here her, his daughter. The daughter replied in the affirmative and said that she knew. Replied in the yes. Whenever any reported speech will be composed by using yes, your answer will be answered in the affirmative or replied in the affirmative. So, he replied in the affirmative. I know, it's another sentence, and said that she knew. Know has become new as the reporting verb is past. Why he had sent her to school. Please look at the board. Question number 3. Why did you not go to school yesterday? Said the mother to the girl. The mother said to the girl, Why did you not go to school? This is reported speech, but this reported speech is in the interrogative form. That means it is interrogative sentence. So, say it will be out by using asked. The girl, the father, why did you not go to school yesterday? Said the mother to the girl. That subject of reporting verb is mother and object is the girl. Please follow. The mother asked the girl as why is used as an interrogative pronoun, so it will not be changed. The mother asked the girl why she is girl. Have not, will be past, had not gone to school the previous day. Yesterday will be changed by the previous day or the day before. The girl replied that she is girl, had been ill. Was or were always had been. You always know that was or were always had been ill. The mother again asked her, or again the mother asked her, or further the mother asked her, or next the mother asked her. Here her is the word of girl. Her is used as a pronoun of the girl. How will be unchanged? She subject will be changed. She was that day. The girl answered or replied that she, that is girl, am. Here am is present, so it will be past according to the verb of reporting. As reporting verb is past, the verb of reported speech must be past. Please follow. The girl answered or replied that she was well. Here am has become was. Don't worry for me. This sentence is also of the girl. So she said, told, she requires, she again, further again, next, etc. Any word may use here. Not to. You should remember that no to will be used before not. So not will be used after not. Not to worry for her. Here her is the pronoun of girl. Dear students, please follow the question number 4. This is another example of passage narration. The old man said, "Can you give me some food? I have been starving for 2 days." The old man is the subject of reporting verb. Can you give me some food? There are 2 sentences in the speech, reported speech. One is interrogative sentence and another is assertive sentence. Both sentences are composed by the only one subject, the old man. First, the old man asked, please look at the answer. The old man asked the maid. Here, maid will be the object. The old man asked the maid if she, here, he, you must follow the object of the reporting verb. The maid, she, can will be past could, sentence will be assertive, so subject has used first and object model auxiliary has past and used after subject to make assertive sentence. Give him means old man, some food. Again the old man said in assertive form. So the old man said that he have been will be past had been starving for 2 days. The maid asked the old man why he begged. Here Y is interrogative pronoun. So WH means interrogative pronoun will never be changed to make indirect narration. Why he begged. When do will be present in the reported speech, do or does will be out to change the verb in past form. So after making verb beg begged, do has become out of the sentence. Why do you beg? Can't you work? Said the maid. Now I am going to make answer. The maid asked the old man why. Why he begged. Can't you work? This is the sentence of interrogative and it also says the maid. The old man why he begged and again asked, that means the maid again asked if he means old man, can will be past, could not work. Please follow. No, I am unable to work, the old man replied. Your answer will be the old man replied in the negative and said that he was unable to work. Here am is present. It will be out and it will be past according to the verb of reporting verb. As the reporting verb is past, so your reporter's speech verb will be past. So am has become past in was unable to work. Dear students, look at the follow. Question number 5. This is another example. Neil said to Kamal, you were absent from the class yesterday. Where did you go? Please follow. Here, reporting verb near Neil said to Kamal. Neil is the subject and Kamal is the object. So, reported speech, you were absent from the class yesterday. This is the part of reported speech, first part. Next, where did you go? This is the second part, but subject is one or the same. So, your answer will be, I will discuss next. I was ill, so I went to the doctor, said Kamal. Your answer will be, Neil told Kamal or Neil said to Kamal. As the sentence is assertive, first sentence is assertive, so inverted comma will be out by using that as a conjunction. Neil told Kamal or said to Kamal that. Here Kamal will be pronoun he. Has been will be as where is present in the reported speech, so it will be had been in indirect narration. As the verb is past, so was or where will be past. Long past had been absent from the class. The previous day. Yesterday will be the previous day or the day before. Where did you go? Again, this sentence asks the person reporting verb Neil. So, Neil is not necessary to write again. It has added only by asked, and asked where will be unchanged. That means interrogative pronoun. He, Kamal will be pronoun he. Its first name will be written in short form. Had. Here have is past, it has become past perfect. As reporting verb said past, so reported speech, the verb of reported speech will be past perfect. Please look at the answer. Asked where he had gone. Here went is a past form of verb, so past perfect is necessary, had gone. Next, Kamal replied that he had been ill. I was ill as I is the first person. First person must follow the subject of repeating verb. So Kamal will be pronoun here. He have gone, had gone. I went to school, went to the doctor. Here he had gone to the doctor. Dear students, I hope you all have understood about the all types of narrations.